The center display in your EV is an integral part of your vehicle's controls. It's designed to be simple, intuitive, and integrated, just like a smartphone. Here's a quick introduction to the different controls the 17.7-inch diagonal center display offers. This is the home screen. From this screen, you can access all the controls of your EV, personalize your ride, navigate your way, choose tunes, and keep track of your vehicle status. To set the mood or keep up to date, you can select from a range of audio sources. Audio sources may include a paired Bluetooth device, music and podcast services, radio stations, or a USB connection. From the home screen, tap this icon to view your vehicle's status. On this screen, you'll find icons for tire pressure, energy information, and trip information. You can also check this information from the My Chevrolet mobile app even when you aren't in your vehicle. You can even choose to send options to the Driver Information Center to keep them right in front of you. Set your own personal driving preferences through the Personalization screen by tapping on this icon. On this screen, you can adjust the steering, braking, acceleration, and motor sound. You can also personalize how you want the center display apps to appear by dragging and dropping icons on the home screen. To navigate, set a favorite destination, or check where you are, access Maps by tapping this icon. From the Maps app, you can also find EV charging stations along your route so you can plan your charges. Like all software, your center display apps benefit from regular updates. Check for software updates by tapping the settings icon, then Updates. Updates will happen automatically, so long as you have an active internet connection. If you want to pause an update or update manually, you'll see these options in the Vehicle Updates menu. Plan your drive your way with the 17.7-inch diagonal center display at the heart of your EV.